Ayan guys, oh. Pak, bongga. Lai, sige. Ito yung sa akin guys. Pipick upin ko dito ngayon. Pero ito guys, wala pa tong lens na yung ano, yung power ko guys. Pero yung sa akin pipick upin ko guys, ano na, yung may grado na guys. Cute mo siya, Tino. Okay naman siya, no? Yung kakipangit.
Picture mo.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa ating mumunting channel guys. So as you can see, nasa car park ako ngayon guys kasi it's Thursday. May nagrereklamo na guys. Oh. So it's Thursday night. Tapos ngayon, di ba guys, if napanood nyo yung last video ko guys, nakatanggap ako ng message from Wylee na ready na yung ko guys, yung glasses ko. Kaya pipick upin ko ngayon kasi pag Thursday night tsaka Friday night guys, late night shopping sa Chadston Shopping Center guys. Kaya ngayon, yung bestie ko guys nandito, ayan o. Siya muna yung nagmamother kay Paris guys. Very supportive, very hanging place. Very supportive sa akin guys. Kaya siya muna, guys po, ng prom. Guys, siya muna yung call. Diyan, saan din? Saan magpalay?
I just want.
Carrie! Mother dear na siya ni Paris. Second mother.
I hate this line.
Fern! The phone is there. So guys, katatapos na naming mag-work guys. Oh, ang fairy godmother. Ang fairy godmother guys. Sama kami dito guys sa Chadston. Hi! So guys, nagdala-dala pa ako ng camera guys. Lowbat pala yung yung battery. So, pasensya na guys if yung quality hindi masyadong maganda kasi phone ko lang yung gamit ko guys. Pero, ngayon, yun nga sabi ko guys, i-pick upin ko yung glasses ko. Tapos, gusto kong bilhan si Paris ng guys, ng hikaw ba? Bagong hikaw kasi winala niya guys. Bibili tayo ng bago.
What color is the balloon?
Where we gonna go? Bevel's. Because I think that, I don't know if they're still having sale. Oh yeah, they're still having 50% off gold jewelry. So we'll see. Wala masyadong tao. Tingin tayo ng mo na hikaw mo. So guys!
Super dignity. Hi!
So we're here now.
Nasa
Chadston Shopping Center kami guys. So nagtingin kami dun sa guys, sa Bevel's ng ng hikaw ba para kay Paris guys. Pero man guys, yung hinahanap ko guys yung may may screw sa likod para hindi matanggal. Yung kasi guys, palagi kaming bumibili ng ng hikaw niya guys. Palaging nawawala, sayang lang guys. Push.
Push?
Push that? Good job. So, ang gagawin namin guys, si Paris, hindi siya nagpapalagay sa prom guys. Gagawin namin. So, bibili lang kami ng guys, ng ice cream kasi ito. Ice. So, would you like? Ice. Favorite nito ice cream guys. Sino bang hindi kumakain ng ice cream guys, diba? Yes, we're gonna get one. So guys, nagpalagay na siya sa pram niya guys. Oh, kasi may ice na siya.
Ice? Huh?
Mother. That way.
Ice?
See, now you can say na it's hard to be a mother, diba?
As in.
Nahirapan na siya guys, maglabas lang ng pram sa sasakyan.
My goodness.
Nice. Siya ang clear team. Mura kag kuan. Doctor. Doctor Wakwak. Ang bata guys, oh. Yummy, yummy. Asa guys, oh. Pak, bongga. Lai, sige. Ito yung sa akin guys. Pipick upin ko dito ngayon. Pero ito guys, wala pa tong lens na yung ano, yung power ko guys. Pero yung sa akin pipick upin ko guys, ano na, yung may grado na guys. Cute mo siya, Tino. Okay naman siya, no? Yung kakipangit.
Picture mo.
So guys, pag pumapasok kami sa mga shop guys, nakala nila ito yung asawa ko guys. Kasi sabi nila, uy, mas babae pa man sa kanyang asawa niya.
Alam na.
Akala nila surugit guys, surugit si Paris. Wow nga guys eh. Guys, ang pangit na ng ano natin
Okay
guys,
lang.
quality guys.
Okay
Kasi
naman.
phone, ha?
Okay naman.
Gwapo manggol ka. Okay ra.
Okay na yan. Okay.
Hi guys! Welcome back ulit sa ating channel. So before guys, hindi ko na natapos yung vlog natin sa ano guys, sa Chadstone Shopping Center guys kasi buang pala ako guys. Dinaladala ko pa tong camera ko guys. Wala palang battery. Kaya nung nandun ako guys, wala talaga. Hindi ko nagamit. Tapos yun nga, naglakad-lakad na lang kami ni Ron, tapos ni Paris. Pero yun nga guys, wala akong nakuha guys kasi nga patay itong ano camera ko guys. Kaya andito papakita ko yung ano guys, nakuha ko na yung ano, I think meron namang clip before nung nandun kami sa Oscar Wylee, yung pinick up ko yung glasses ko guys. Pero gusto kong ipakita sa inyo guys ng mabuti yung ano, yung mga glasses ko guys. Kaya ito, so it's Oscar Wylee ngayon guys. Wala akong contact lens guys, so medyo blurry kayo, hindi ko makita yung pagmumukha ko sa viewfinder guys. Oh, tignan nyo guys. So pasensyahan nyo na guys ha. Tapos also, pasensya na rin sa boses ko guys, hindi masyadong, how to call it, I'm talking softly at the moment kasi si Paris nasa bed na guys, natutulog na. Tapos si Daddy din pa, matutulog na rin siya. Pero gusto ko na talagang tapusin yung vlog guys. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo yung glasses from Oscar Wylee. So, ito yun siya guys, dalawa sila guys kasi yung sa Oscar Wylee, yung, ang tawag dito, yung parang deal ba nila guys. So it is two glasses for $100.99 guys. $199. Guys, time check guys, 10 o'clock kaya, ayan, mukhang tulog na ang nanay nyo. So, yung dahilan hindi ako nag-contact lens ngayon guys kasi gusto kong ipakita yung glasses ko while suot ko guys para malaman nyo kung maganda ba siya guys o you let me know your thoughts. Tapos kung nasa ano kayo guys, nasa Australia kayo, you'll get an idea kung how does it look on you guys. So, first one is this. So, it's in this case guys. May Oscar Wylee dyan. Tapos pag open mo guys, ganyan. So, ito guys, hindi ko pa talaga sinuot to guys. Kasi gusto kong ipakita muna sa inyo. Ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ko na frame guys. Tapos, inad ko lang yung isa kasi nga, makakasave ka. Kasi pag isa yung lang yung kinuha mo, it's $169 guys. Tapos kung dalawa, it's $199. So, it makes sense na kunin mo na dalawa. So, ito try natin guys para makita ko kayo guys. What do you think? Parang Harry Potter lang guys. What do you think? I really like the shape guys. Like the round shape. I think I really like it on my, face. Pero hindi ko pa to sinusuot guys kasi nung tinry ko sa shop, ay guys, parang bagong buhay. I can see everything very clearly. Kasi yung glasses ko ngayon, ewan ko asan ko nalagay. ibang grado yun, guys. Kasi nung pumunta ako sa optometrist, ano sabi niya, nag-change ng konti ba? At yung last ko, guys, it's negative 2.50. Tapos ito ngayon, guys, mukha. Hindi ko na nga alam, guys, eh. Slight change lang naman, guys. Parang 0.25 something ganyan, guys. Basta, konti lang yung diferensya nila, guys. But ito yung isa, guys. Ang pangalan nito, guys, ay K-A-T-O. So, kato? Kato? Ewan ko kung ano tawag na pagbasa nila sa dyan, guys. But, ito yun, guys. Tignan nyo sa malayuan. Maganda mo siya, guys. No, okay na ako medyo malayo sa camera, guys. Kasi nakakita na ako. Before, hindi ko makita yung sarili ko, guys. So, ayan. I really like it. Like, I'm very happy that I got this frame, guys. Merong isa din, guys, na very similar sa ganito. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Chadstone na Oscar Wylee, wala silang stock, guys. Tapos, hindi sila makapagsabi kung kailan babalik ng stock. Kaya, kumuha na lang ako ng isa, guys. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung pangalawa, guys. This one, medyo hindi ako masyadong hindi ako masyadong dito, guys. Parang hindi ko siya gusto talaga nung nakita ko to, guys. Pero nga, kasi yung isa na gusto ko, guys, not in stock. Tapos yung isa rin na very similar dito, guys. Sabi naman ng optometrist, sabi niya, oh, it's very similar, yeah? So maybe, better to get something different from this one. So, I thought, oh, okay, yeah, let's do that. And then, andun si Daddy, guys. Pero alam ko si Daddy, naiinip na yan siya, guys. Kasi, ang tagal ko sa shop, sobrang tagal ko sa loob ng shop, guys. Kasi hindi ako makapag-decide kung anong frame yung gusto ko. Alam ko na, guys, na itong kukunin ko isa. Pero, the other pair, I'm not too sure. Like, I was very indecisive, guys. I don't know if, kasi ang daming options, guys. Like, if you go visit Oscar Wylee, mabubuang ka talaga, guys, sa options nila. Kaya, pakita ko yung pangalawa, guys. Ayan. So, it's very different. So, I don't know. I don't think it's going to be like a daily glasses for me, guys. Because, parang iba lang siya, guys. Yun yung kulay, guys. O, pang green. Yung kulay niya. Pero nung tinry ko, guys, tapos sabi ko kay Daddy, what do you think? What do you think, Baba? And then he said like, oh, that looks good. That's it. Get it. But in my head, I think, sinabi lang ni Mike na get it para makalabas na kami, guys. Kasi nga sabi ko, matagal na kami doon sa loob. Kaya naiinip na siya. Sabi niya, okay, that looks good on you. Like, just get it. But I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try now and see if I'm going to like it, guys. So, tanggalin muna natin to siya, guys. But this one, I really like this one, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, guys, kung sa tingin nyo, maganda ba yung mga glasses ko, guys. So, this one is, ayan na, mag-ano ng cellphone. This is the second one, guys. This is oversized look. Tingnan nyo, guys. Super big ba siya, guys? So, ang hindi ko nagustuhan dito at first, guys, is wala siyang dito ba, guys? Oh, yung dito. Kasi nga, guys, hindi tayo blessed ng ilong, guys. Tignan nyo, wala tayong matangos na ilong, guys. Kaya, nag-worry ako, guys, na pag ito yung binili ko, parang hindi siya mag-ano pa, guys. Tapos, mag-touch siya dito, guys. Oh. But, I think it's going to be nice for casual lang days. Guys, no? What do you think? Okay lang din naman siya, guys, no? I think I'll get used to it. Parang sobrang laki niya, guys. Pero yun nga, oversized nga, diba? Pero yun nga, nung tinry ko to, guys, sabi ni Daddy, oh, it looks nice on you, just get that one. So, kaya nga sabi ko, okay, ito na lang bibiliin ko isa. So, nakikita ko talaga yung difference niya, guys, no? Nakikita niyo ba, guys? So, pag ito yung suot ko, nakikita niyo yung yung parang reflection ba ng mga ilaw. Tingnan niyo, oh. So, hindi niyo nakikita yung mata ko, guys. Try natin yung isa. Ayan. Meron ba, guys? Yeah, meron, pero hindi masyado, guys. No. Kita nyo pa rin yung mata ko, guys. Yung isa, hindi. Alam nyo, guys, you know the difference? The only difference, guys, is that ito, guys, pinalagyan ko ng anti-glare. Ito siya, wala siyang anti-glare, guys. Kasi nga, sabi ko, pang char-char lang to siya, guys. Kaya ito, pinalagyan ko kasi alam ko gagamitin ko to regularly. Kaya pinalagyan ko, guys. So, the anti-glare, guys, pag pinalagay nyo sa glasses nyo, I think it's extra $20 or $29. I'm not too sure now, guys. Hindi ko alam kung magkano binayaran ko. Pero yun yung binayaran ko, guys. Extra yung anti-glare. Yung mga old glasses ko nga, guys, before, may pina-add akong blue lens, blue filter, ganun, guys. So, lalo siyang mamahal, guys. So, this time, sabi ko, it's okay. I think I'll be fine with the anti-glare. So, anti-glare lang yung pina-add ko dito. Tapos yung dito, guys, plain lang. Yung lens ko lang, guys, yung pina-add ko dito. So, yun na nga, guys. I think you can't go wrong paying $199 for the two glasses, guys. I think it's really worth it. Tapos, yung mga frames kasi nila, guys, very stylish. Yun bang, hindi pang, guys, ang tawag ito? Hindi pang parang lolo kang tingnan, ganun. Guys, parang pa-char-char lang siya, guys, pa. Ayan, guys, so, lumapit nga tayo konti. Oh, ayan. Ang pula-pula na ng mata ko, guys. Kasi late na, guys. Kailangan na natin matulog. Tapos, yung sisidlan nila, guys, ito. Before, hindi ganito, guys. Very, yung last na, sisidlan ko, guys, very quirky colors and everything. Now, they just went into very formal, flat-looking na sisidlan, guys. Tapos sa loob, guys, each glasses comes with this. Yung dust something ba, guys. Ayan, para pang plain ng lenses. Tapos nung pag-try ko nito, guys, sa shop, guys, sobrang parang sumakit yung mata ko, guys. Tapos parang nahihilo ba ako, guys. Tapos sabi nga nung ng optometrist, sabi niya, that's very normal naman. Kasi nga, diba, nagka-adjust pa yung mata mo. Kasi yung last one ko, guys, parang my eyes are used to it. You know what I mean? So now that I'm having a new prescription, parang iba, guys. Parang nalulula ako, guys. Kaya sabi niya, maybe, kasi nung pumunta ako dun, guys, nag-contact lens ako. Sabi niya, just put your contact lens back. Kasi, especially I'm driving, guys, I have to make sure na klarong-klaro ko yung daan, yung hindi ako nahihilo, guys, baka madisgrasya tayo, guys. That's the last thing we want to happen, right? Kaya yun, guys, binalik ko na lang yung contact lens ko, tapos ito, gagamitin ko, guys, sabi niya, at first, huwag mong gamitin pag nag-drive ka, tapos yung parang nag-move ka, gamitin mo siya pag parang nag-sit down ka lang, nanonood ka ng TV, ganito ngayon, guys, nag-uusap tayo, yun lang. Pero pag nag-drive, wag muna. Kasi, I have to make sure na parang nasanay na ba yung mga mata ko, guys, sa new prescription ko. Kaya yun, guys. Ayan. Yun lang yung story ko, guys. So, actually, guys, earlier today, we had fun. Seriously, we had fun at Chadstone Shopping Center, guys. I really wish na hindi namatay yung ko, guys, yung camera ko, guys, kasi nga Ron and I and Paris, like, we just jokes everywhere, we're just like laughing, saya-saya, guys. Kaya lang hindi ko na guys, na document kasi nga. Anyways, guys, there's no point in crying over spilt milk, right? Ayan na naman tayo, guys, sa ating mga ang kachar-charan. But anyways, guys, I'll show you the things na binili ko rin, guys, nung pumunta kami, guys, sa Chadstone. So, ang nangyari, guys, I gave Paris something to drink. Ngayon, basang-basa na siya, guys. Tapos, ayaw ko namang Tapos, itong si Ron naman, guys, yung best friend ko, guys. Oh, baka baka sipunin si Paris or ubuhin dahil nga medyo basa yung dito guys. So yung ginawa namin guys, pumunta kami ng Cotton On. At first pumunta kami ng Buns, pero ang mahal. Kaya sabi ko na maybe not for now kasi gusto ko lang bumili ng ano yung masusuot ni Paris while nandun kami sa shop guys kasi nga basang-basa siya, diba? So, ito guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh, very cute. Nung nakita ko yung print guys, tapos yung color niya guys, it goes really well with the white. Miffy ba yun guys? Ayan. So, binili ko guys in size 12 to 18 months. Dalawa yung binili ko guys kasi yung pricing nila guys, it's 2 for $20. So, I think pag binili mo ng isa lang, tignan natin. So, pag isa lang siya, guys, it's $16.99. Ewan ko kung makita, guys. Pero pag dalawa yung binili mo, guys, it's $20. So, $10 na lang siya, guys. So, ayan yung pangalawa, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, honey bunny. Have a look at the colors there. I really like this color, guys. And, you know, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, this is so me. This color is so me. Tapos ito din, plain lang siya, but it's very cute. Oh, di ba guys? So, dalawa yung binili ko, guys. Tapos, nag-ano lang kami, naghapunan lang kami. Yung kinain namin, guys, pumunta kami ng Nini Chicken. So, pag nandito kayo sa Australia, guys, you will know what Nini Chicken is. It's Korean fried chicken, guys. And I love, it's one of my favorite fried chicken in Australia, guys. Kasi very, I love their chicken. Tapos, very, parang fresh yung gamit nila na chicken talaga, guys. Tapos, yung sauce, sweet and spicy. Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful, like, my favorite. Tapos, yung in-order ko, guys, like, chips. In-order ko yung chips with cheese and mayonnaise, pero naubusan sila, guys. So, chips na lang. Chips na lang yung binili ko. But, after that, guys, hindi na kami nakaano kasi late na siya, guys. So, hindi na kami nakapunta dun sa taas. Hindi na kami nakatingin dun sa mga designer bag, shoes. Hindi na kami nakapunta kasi nga very late na. Tapos si Paris was playing up, actually. Paris was crying and I understand because she was tired. I know she was tired because it's been a long day for her as well. She went to the, guys, pumunta siya ng childcare sa umaga. Tapos, guys, umuwi kami. Tapos, dumiretso na kami ng Chadstone. So, it's understandable, guys. Kaya, sabi ko kay Ron, uwi na lang tayo. Kaya, yun, guys, umuwi kami. And then, yeah, ngayon, nag-vlog na ako. Napakita ko na sa inyo ang lahat. Guys, tapos, sana, you let me know, guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ba yung glasses ko, guys. What do you think about my glasses? Does it suit my face? Or pangit ba, guys? But yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. As always, appreciate your time. And I hope that you give this a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions or requests or gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, guys, please leave your comments in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!